Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features. As you can see here we have the grid lines option, so by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works. For now let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera to see the grid lines. And as you can see, it shows us these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to this button to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need this, we can easily go back to the settings from the left, slide again to the useful features, tap on this button, so now they are turned off and here they have gone. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.